today we are celebrating Stampede, Calgary Stampede. I am where the city I am. It is a cowboy city, and Stampede is a grand celebration once a year. So today, and generally pancakes have been served everywhere for free breakfast. So today I'm going to make a version of pancake that has no eggs, without eggs, simple and easy with the egg replacement. And so it is, and it's going to be fun. And let's go to the kitchen without further delay. So to begin our pancake for this Stampede special, so we have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we also adding into 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and also 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, but it's baking powder. So, and for this, from here, now we have to mix it up well using a whisk, and we will just mix it up for a minute or two so that all the salt and the baking powder will be cooperated well with the all-purpose flour. And so this is well mixed, and now we will do the second part. For the second part, we will add the 1/4 cup of yogurt, and also 1 cup of milk, not cold milk, but it is room temperature milk. And with that, and now we will use a cake beater or the cake mixer, hand mixer, and we will mix it up well for a minute. And also we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and continue beating. So our third part is we will add the flour a little bit by little bit. So we will mix it up without lumps. So 3 tablespoons for the first beat, and with a slow speed just mix it up slowly. The first batch has gone. Now we will add the second batch. You can use even a whisk, but I'm just using a cake mixer. So now we will continue beating it. And now the rest of the flour goes in. And we beat it. To clean the sides. Dear viewers, now let us rest the batter for at least about 15 minutes, then we can start frying. And dear viewers, it is already more than 15 minutes, and so now we have to grease the pan, and the pan is also hot, and we shall grease this, and we will pour our first batter of the pancake batter. And also that the oil that I used was butter, and so now we shall pour the pancake batter like 1 scoop, and just make a circular a little bit. And also we will cover this for a few minutes, and then we will flip it. As our pancake is already needs to be flipped, and you can see it is already bubbling on the center and so on. So now we have to flip it, and we will cover this for another couple of minutes. We are ready with our pancake. And dear viewers, our pancake is ready. We can remove it, and we can grease the pan with butter again, and then pour 1 more scoop of the pancake batter. Let's cover this again. And dear viewers, we have come to the final part of our video, and here this is my pancake, the ones without egg, and it's so simple to do. And I replaced it from eggs to a different ingredient, and so I hope for this is suitable for a vegetarian, and I hope all the vegetarians will try this out. It is simple and easy, so I hope you can enjoy the Stampede pancakes without any worries that, oh, I can't take eggs, and most of the pancakes with eggs. So this is here your version, and I have made for you without eggs, and you can try them in your home, not only during Stampede. You can do them throughout the year, and also for the Fatty Tuesday or Mardi Gras, and it's also called the Tuesday pancake, so you can have them also. So thank you very much everyone for watching Friday Friendly Kitchen, and for those who are new, welcome aboard. Do not forget to click the bell icon, subscribe, like and share. And for those who are with me, thank you very much, and happy stampeding from Friday Friendly Kitchen. Bye bye for now.